Adding Payoneer as a payment gateway on Shopify involves a few steps to enable smooth transactions. Here's a concise guide. Create a Payoneer account. If you don't have a Payoneer account, sign up for one on the Payoneer website. Complete the registration process and verify your account. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify dashboard using your login credentials. Navigate to Settings. In the Shopify dashboard, go to Settings and select Payment Providers. Choose a payment provider. Under the Accept Payments section, find alternative payments or third-party providers. Select Payoneer from the list. Connect Payoneer. Enter your Payoneer account details, which may include your Payoneer account number and other required information. Complete the setup. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Ensure that the integration is successful. Test transactions. Make a few test transactions to confirm that Payoneer is functioning correctly within your Shopify store. Set up payouts. If you are using Payoneer for receiving payouts, ensure that your payout settings in Shopify are configured to use Payoneer. Review and adjust settings. Double-check the settings and configurations to ensure they align with your business requirements. Contact support if needed. If you encounter any issues during the setup, don't hesitate to contact Shopify support or Payoneer customer service for assistance.